Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Peter Griffin from the animated series Family Guy in his original show style. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave your like. That really helps the channel grow. Grab your drawing tools, get comfy, and let's bring this iconic cartoon character to life. Let's begin with the eyes and glasses, drawing two simple circular shapes with small black pupils centered inside and thin round frames around them. If any part feels tricky, pause the video and take your time before moving forward. Peter Griffin is the main character of Family Guy, created by Seth MacFarlane. Now add the nose, a rounded oval shape that slightly overlaps the glasses area. The show first premiered in 1999 on Fox. Draw the mouth, forming that relaxed sideways smile with a simple curved line. Add Peter's very characteristic chin with the famous double curve that creates his iconic jaw shape. Shape the back of the head and neck area, keeping it smooth and rounded since Peter practically has no visible neck. Draw the small ear, placed slightly behind the glasses line and kept very simple in detail. Now sketch the short brown hair, flat and simple, following the rounded contour of the head. Add a soft curve to define the cheek, connecting naturally into the chin shape. Draw the shirt collar wide and open, sitting directly on the torso, since Peter barely has a neck. Peter is known for his absurd humor and cutaway gag scenes. He works at the Pawtucket Patriot Brewery for much of the series. Now create the large, rounded torso, making it wide and circular, and add subtle fabric waves at the bottom where the shirt tucks into the pants. The fictional town of Quahog, Rhode Island, is where the family Griffin family lives. Add the small shirt buttons aligned vertically down the center. Continue the rounded shape into the hips, maintaining that soft cartoon silhouette. Draw the belt, thick and dark, with a simple oval buckle in the center. Peter is married to Lois Griffin and has 3 children, Meg, Chris, and Stewie. His best friends include Quagmire, Cleveland, and Joe Swanson. The show was canceled twice before becoming one of the longest-running animated sitcoms. Sketch the robust legs, straight and slightly wide, supporting his heavy build. Add the simple cartoon shoes, large and rounded with minimal detail. Family Guy is famous for its pop culture references and satire. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our playlist with many other pop culture characters and different drawing styles. Just click the card in the upper corner. And tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? Draw the left arm, hanging relaxed along the side of the torso with a rounded hand. Add the left sleeve, folded just above the elbow with a simple rolled shape. Now draw the right arm bent upward in a curve. Finish the right hand with a chunky, rounded shape, forming the classic thumbs-up gesture. Peter's design is intentionally simple, with round shapes and bold outlines. The series has won multiple awards, including Emmy Awards. Seth MacFarlane also voices Peter. For colors, Peter is usually colored with a white shirt, green pants, brown shoes, a black belt with a gold buckle, light peach skin tone, and brown hair. But hey, feel free to get creative and color him however you like. And here's our Peter Griffin, bold, simple, and faithful to the original show style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.